Look how good that looks. LEDs all the way around. I gotta turn this off because I'm actually blinding myself. I got a box, and this box is about to change the entire view of this truck. So, inside my majestical little box that I'm pretty sure you can't really see because of the sun, we'll just put it up here. Actually, we'll go put it on the bed. I know it's pretty windy out here today, and it's also just a little bit chilly, like 55, 58, 60 degrees or something like that. But a company called Diesel LED actually sent me every single LED for my truck, as far as headlights, fog lights, high beams, low beams, switchback, turn signals. I mean, they sent me everything. So we're gonna take them out of the box. These are headlights. These are 6000K H11s. Pretty sure those are high beams. These are 5202. These are the fog lights. 9005s. Those are low beams. Come on, come on. These are reverse. These little doodads right here, that's what those are. I'm having a brain fart. I can't remember what those are called. Oh, my reverse taillights. Hyper free flash switchbacks, so which means they are white LEDs, and then when you turn the turn signal on, they go to amber, and then when you turn the turn signal back off, they will go back to white. These are cargo lights. For those are the lights that are up there. They send me LEDs for those. Air-free third brake light. Something inside there, but I already do have a aftermarket LED third brake light, so I'm not sure if these two are going to work, but we are going to try. Third brake light again. Here is another turn signal, and these are for the license plate. I am very excited, and I also have another surprise that we're also doing in this video. It's not just gonna be just LEDs and then I'm gonna turn the camera off. It's gonna be LEDs and something else. I'm not telling y'all what it is yet because y'all guys are just gonna have to find out, but I really do feel like it is gonna change the entire appearance of the truck. So let's go ahead, pop the hood, and let's get straight into these. I actually lied. We're gonna do the tail lights first because these are probably gonna be the simplest and fastest install ever. Huge shout out to Diesel LED for sending me all of these. Their link will be down in the description below. As I have already said, I'm very excited to see what this truck looks like because ever since I put window tint on here with the 35 on the windshield, I cannot see anything. We're gonna slap these in real fast. All it is a what size is this? A T10. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these right here, pop this tail light out. And the cool thing about Diesel LEDs is that they have literally every LED for pretty much every make and model of a truck. They have these, the new Hyper Flash or Hyper Flash free LED switchbacks for your turn signals. Like I said, so they'll be white LEDs. Everything is white that they have. They do make like blue, I think, but no one wants to run blue on their vehicle. There we go. There's a lot of sand in here. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. Pretty much all you're gonna do is find your reverse taillight, which is right here. You're gonna twist, pull out, take out that old bulb, because you're not gonna need those anymore. And if you plug it in and it doesn't turn on the first time, it's real simple. Just pull it out, unplug it, flip it around, and then stick it back in. These lit up. Just going to stick it right back in the hole, and that is all she wrote. Super simple install, super easy. One taillight down. I'm not gonna show you how to do the other one because you literally just saw me do that one, and it is the exact same thing. Pop it out, unplug, plug, put it back in. That's it for the taillights. We're done with that. We're gonna slap in these LED license plates. So this one right here, this one right here. Should not be too crazy hard. All you gotta do is come back up in here, find this little doodad right here, twist, and pop out. And that's all it is. Pop that bulb out, put the new one in. Well, I'm blowing out because it's dark underneath here, but you should be all set. Pop the old bulb out, just like that. Slide the new one in. Everything is plug and play. Super simple, super easy. I really want to cut this exhaust off like I did on the green turd. Oh, speaking of the green turd, if y'all guys want to see a video on the green truck, the Cam 2500 XD, like this video. Let's go 5,000 likes, 3,000 likes. I'll be happy with 3. If y'all guys get it to 3,000 likes, I'll do a video on the green truck. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this second one in right. Oh, I almost dropped it. Pop the second one in, and we're gonna move to the front. Ooh, look how crispy those are. Nice, bright, white LEDs. So this is what the truck looks like right now. As you can tell, these are all amber. Both turn signals are amber. They're both on the high beam, or this is the low beam, this is the high beam. And as you can tell, my fog light doesn't work. I hope that's just the bulb went bad, but this is what it looks like right now. Pretty boring, but let's slap these LEDs in and see how much it changes the look of it. As you can see, this right here is the low beam. This one down here is the high beam. There's already some stuff going on here. Not really too sure what that is, but this is the low beam, this is the high beam, and then the back in here are the turn signals. So that's gonna be pretty hard to get to. I guess I could always try and take the actual headlights out of the truck, but I really don't think I wanna do that. So I'm gonna try and just squeeze my little arm inside there and get the turn signals, the high beams and the low beams in. And then we will give you a before and after of what the halogens look like versus what the LEDs look like. These are all 6000K, which means they are all gonna be the exact same color all the way around the truck. Great quality tape, Diesel LED. Love that. We're gonna go ahead and slap this in. Should be pretty easy. It's just take the other one out just like we've always been doing. Twist it, pull it out, take the old light out, plug this in, twist it back, and then everything is plug and play. So you just connect this right into the factory connector inside the truck. Bada bing, bada boom, and you're done. Had to make sure I was actually putting these in the fucking low beams, because, you know, I don't want to fuck myself. Oh, please don't put that in the video. All right, so there it is. There's the regular low beam. There you go. Low beams, H11, slide right in this hole right here. Alrighty, well, after a little bit, we finally figured it out. So I'm now popping off the high beam down here. Pretty simple, you just gotta pull up the little tab, pull the light out, plug it back in, blah, blah, blah. Gonna go ahead and plug this up just like that. Ta-da! The high beams are in. It is now in there. High beams, low beams. I went ahead and also put the turn signals in because I had to take a break from this little low beam because it was not wanting to go in there the way that I wanted to. But everything is now plugged up. I have not done the fog light on that side right this second. I'm probably gonna do that. And then I'm gonna pick the camera back up and show you what it looks like from LED to halogen. So give me 1 second. And just like that, they are all put in. High beams, low beams, fog lights, turn signals, all LEDs, all crappy halogens on this side. Let's turn the lights on and see how they look. All right, turn lights all the way on, turn fog lights on. Oh, look at the difference that is. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna go slap another battery in here. We still have to do one more thing. I'm probably also gonna wash it. I'm ready to see what it looks like in the nighttime. And just like that, everything is hooked up the way that it should be. I can confidently, somewhat, kinda, sorta, close that, and now, oh, look at that tint though. But now it is time for what everyone has been waiting for. Time to get these bad boys off. I bought the truck exactly how it sits. It has a 2-inch leveling kit on the front. Now it has LEDs everywhere around the truck, window tint, and those will be coming shortly. All I'm gonna say on that, 2-inch leveling kit, front and rear, but I feel like it's definitely time to take the grandpa steps off, because right now it looks kind of good, right? Not too bad, but when I take those steps off, I feel like it is going to completely change the look of the truck. So since I'm already out here and I'm doing it, I might as well go ahead and pop those steps off. So that's what we're doing next. Okay, so we have 4 bolts up here connected to the body, and then 1 bolt in between here. There's one right here and one right here. There's a butt and a nut that there's a nut and a bolt that you have to take off. You know, it's really shitty. I thought I was recording, but my SD card was full, so this side's off, but I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna go do the other side, and then I'll show you everything, what it looks like. Then we'll run over to Braden's house and see what he thinks about the new look of the truck. All right, let's hope this SD card isn't full. All right, 4th one. Coming loose. There's 3, and I'm pretty sure 4 is already out, which it is. Sweet. And over here is the last one, and then the steps will be off. Woo! And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I think, what's happening? There we go. Just like that, the grandpa steps are off the truck. Now let's see what it looks like. That looks so much crispier. So much better than the grandpa steps. All the LEDs are in. Both of the side steps are off. Oh, it looks so good. Now that all the steps are off, I'm pretty much done. All I have to do is wash it. Big thank you to Diesel LED for sending those LEDs out to me. I'm greatly appreciated for it. They will be linked in the description if you want to go get you a pair of headlights, fog lights, high beams, low beams, turn signals, third brake lights, LEDs, everything galore that you can think of. Diesel LED in the description. Follow their Instagram. But yeah, let's I'm gonna clean up this mess real fast, and I'm gonna go run over to Braden's and see what he thinks about the LEDs and the grandpa steps being off. And to think I was just about to come see you so you can look at my truck.
I made a very bad decision.
What was that?
I went to Sonic. Some trash.
Sonic's good.
I thought it was gonna be great.
Hey, are my hands cold?
Yeah.
Hey, come look at my truck. No more grandpa steps.
Oh shit. That looks good. Got the LEDs. And the fog lights, the headlights.
Turn signals,
Woo!
switchbacks,
Woo!
reverse lights,
Looking good.
LED tag lights, everything.
Damn, maybe your truck's warm on the inside.
It is, that's why I started it. Oh, we love window tint. As I've said before, I'm probably gonna lay down the camera as of right now, but I'm gonna pick it up when it gets a little darker because I want y'all guys to be able to see the entire truck all lit up with all the brand new LEDs that we just put in. So, I will see y'all when it gets dark. Peace. Well, ladies and gentlemen, remember how I said that I was going to pick the camera back up when it got dark? Well, actually I never did. It's currently Friday the 13th of November, and I'm finally picking back up the camera to show y'all what the headlights look like at night. We're actually here in Goldsboro for Performance East Customer Appreciation Day that me and all the boys are at. So, I'm planning on posting every Friday now. So, I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos here recently, but I'm gonna try and start posting every Friday. So, I'm gonna try. I don't know if it will be every single Friday, but I'm going to do my best to post something. So, enough talking. Let's see what the headlights look like at night. Boom. Look how good that looks. LEDs all the way around. Let me put on the hazards so y'all guys can see the switchbacks. God, those things are bright. They shine all over the place. They are crazy bright. I gotta turn those off because I'm actually blinding myself. And then they're switchbacks, so they automatically go back to the LEDs, or the white LEDs, which is awesome. I love it, especially with the 35 on the windshield. I can see perfectly clear. These things are crazy bright. I love them. And then I also have the LED reverse taillights. These things are crazy bright also. And then the LED tag lights. So that is pretty much it for this video. The truck is almost done. I just have a little bit more stuff to do and then I'm pretty much done with it. Like I said in the last video, I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna lift it 6 inches in the air and do anything crazy because this is my daily driver. So I gotta keep it reliable. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Diesel LED, all the LEDs that you see right here on the truck, front, back, all the way around the truck will be linked in the description. So if you guys wanna go get you some LEDs for your ride, hit them up because they'll hook you up. Until then guys, I will see y'all next time. Peace.
She's bitchy, she really is though. Attitude's a little bit shit. Wanna take it to the city. She talk shit on girls just for being pretty. Why you like that? From the look that I got, I could tell she didn't like that. Now she wanted me to fight back. Wild as hell, thank God I didn't like that. She got a fat ass though, pretty in the face, but man she's psycho. I still lay pipe though. For a second I was thinking this is gonna be my hoe, but I can't do it, babe. You had your chance and blew it, baby. This ain't just